we go. So for 8, we're going to solve systems of linear equations. Do you see how this equation says y equals 2x minus 4 and y equals negative 3x plus 1? I'm going to make this one red, okay?
Alright.
And I'm going to make this one blue. Okay? Now, you can use different colors on your homework if you want to. Or you can just use whatever. But know that I always use different colors because it makes it easier for me. Okay? How would I graph those equations? To solve this system, I want to graph those equations. How do I graph the red one, Bree? What do I start with?
Down 4.
Down 4 and what? So down 4. Okay, you said down, which means I'm on the y-axis. Carter, stop. Negative 4. What's my slope?
2.
2 what?
2 over 1.
Up 2 or?
Over 2.
2.
Up rise over run.
No. That's
So
2 over
up
1.
2
Over 1.
over 1. Up 2 over 1, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so 2, 1, 2, 1.
Can I graph?
And then this is my graph.
Oh.
Okay, you're going to need to use a straight edge too, so that is perfect. Now, how do I graph the next part? Oh, Matthew. You'll do the
It's-
next one.
You go up 1,
Up 1,
and then you go, it's negative, so you go down 3,
down 3,
over 1,
over 1. Down 3,
over 1.
over 1. Now, where they intersect
Right there.
is my solution. What is my solution point there?
It's, negative 2, 1.
Negative 2. Not negative 2, it's 1, negative 2. X
Oh.
comes first.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
1, negative 2. So solving a linear system, when I solve, I get a solution point. Does that make sense?
So easy.
It is easy.
So when you solve, you're going to get a solution point. Carter, pay attention. Okay, you're going to get a solution point. So 1, negative 2 is my solution point. Does that make sense so far? Okay, now,
Yes.
what do you think I need to, oh, here I have y equals negative 2x plus 1 and y equals negative 2x plus 5. Okay, look at these closely, because you might be able to save some time if you can notice something.
They're parallel?
They're parallel, which means what?
Their slopes are the same.
Which means what happens with those lines?
Positive.
So
They don't intersect.
They don't intersect,
They're
so
perpendicular.
it's going to be
No, they're
no.
No. Solution.
Good. Now listen, that means if you can notice on your homework without graphing these right away, you don't have to graph them for me.
Really?
You can say the
Great.
slopes are the same, no solution. Okay? So the only time you're not going to graph it is if the slopes are the same, yes?
Yep.
If the slopes are perpendicular, I still have to graph it because they're going to cross, right?
Yes.
Okay. So if you can look at the two equations and recognize the slopes are the same for me first without graphing, go for it and save yourself some time.
Thank you.
Okay? Now, let's talk about these. What do I need to do to these equations before I can
You need to
even
get
graph
into
them?
y equals form.
Y equals form. Okay, Carter, how do I get the top one into y equals form?
Minus 2x on each side.
Good, minus 2x on each side so that I get negative y equals negative 2x minus 3. Now what?
You put 1 under negative 2. Do you put 0? You make that
No, it's why it's a 1.
What's in front of this y right now?
A
It's a
1.
negative.
A negative 1. So what do I have to do with that?
Divide
A
it.
Divide by negative 1
On each
Oh.
side.
on each side. Because I can't have anything in front of that y. Except for,
A 1.
A
Jesus
1.
is everywhere.
so divide by negative 1, right? And I get y equals, negative divided by negative gives me a
Positive.
negative divided by negative.
Positive.
Okay. Bree, how do I change this equation?
Is this what I said?
Not subtract, it is.
You add 4.
You add 4. Good, you add 4x.
And then you add one, that's right.
So then I get 2y equals 4x plus 6. Now what? Now remember, when I rewrite these, see how I'm writing the x first?
Yeah?
Always do that.
Yeah.
Because remember, y equals mx plus b.
Divide by
Good, divide by 2, Gabs, good. Both sides, right? Harder. Grab me nuts, kid. Oh,
What?
what do you notice? What's in-
You don't have to grab, it's no solution.
No, it's not no solution. It's not no.
equation.
It's the same equation.
Oh.
Good, Sonia. So if it's the same equation, that means if I graph one line, what's gonna happen with the other one?
Well, they're the same line.
It's gonna be on top of it, so how many solutions are there?
One.
No.
What?
Infinite solutions, good. Infinite.
Oh,
Because they're always gonna be together, right? So if they're the
Stick
exact same equation, I don't need to graph it either, it's infinite
Oh, so you say
solutions.
infinite solution?
We're
Yep.
in the wrong.
Oh,
Isn't it
this
easy?
is really easy. Is that all?
I have no clue what we're doing.
And I have word problems.
Actually, we can't do the word problem because you would have to have a graphing calculator.
Wait.
Yay!
So we're gonna solve it we're gonna save it for later when we solve systems algebraically and not graphically.
Yay!
Okay, ask me a question, what?
I'm trying to like understand it.
Okay, so listen, Caleb, here's what it's looking at. Okay, if I graph 2x plus 3, right? Then I graph like this. I have positive 3, I go up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, correct?
Yeah.
What's the next line I'm graphing?
The same line.
Same line.
So if I graph it again, it's here, here, and here, right? How many solutions are going on there? Is this a solution?
Yes.
Is this?
Yes.
That,
Yes,
that.
yes,
Oh,
Does that make
I
sense?
get it now.
Okay, I don't think we need to do another one.
I don't wanna do another one.
This is so
Okay,
easy.
so here are your three options, remember, three options. If I have to graph them because they are different lines and they are not parallel, meaning they are perpendicular or just different slopes in general, I get one solution. A set of points, an x and a y, okay? And you have to write it in this format. So you have to write it with the parentheses, the x, the y, got it? A solution
Yeah.
point. If they have the same slope, but different y's, or different b parts, yes, y-intercepts, then that means they're parallel and they are
No.
no solution. If they're the exact same lines,
It's infinite solution.
it's infinite solutions.
Okay,
Okay?
that's easy.
That's what you're doing.
Hey, you say.
Can we work